S Pen not working or air action with S Pen not responding on Samsung phones. So if your S Pen is not working or maybe the air commands are not working, just open up settings on your Samsung device. Scroll down and go to the option called Advanced Features, and from Advanced Features you can go to the option called S Pen. Now from S Pen, these are the options that you'll be able to see. Here you can see air actions, toggle it off and toggle it on again and see if that helps here. You can also see air command as to what happens when you show your air command icon. You can turn on air view and you can see all of these options as well. If you go ahead and then tap on this three dots icon, you can try to reset your S Pen as well to see if that helps you, and it will also connect it for air actions, which may take a while. So this will also sometimes automatically help you solve the problem. So wait until it has detected the S Pen within your phone. So I hope this video helped you out. If you have got any further questions, do feel free to leave them down below. As always, thank you for watching till the very end and see you soon in the next video.